Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bilal Consultancy Limited. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that can significantly impact success, the effect diagram. We'll explore how understanding this concept can pave the way for achieving your goals and enhancing productivity. So, stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of success through the effect diagram. First things first, what exactly is an effect diagram? Also known as a fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagram, it's a powerful visualization tool used to identify, explore, and categorize potential causes of a specific problem or effect. It's called a fishbone diagram because of its resemblance to a fish skeleton, with the effect being the head, and the causes branching out like bones. History of success and effect diagram. The history of the effect diagram, also known as the fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagram, traces back to the 1960s in Japan. Its creation is attributed to Dr. Kaoru Ishikawa, a prominent Japanese quality control expert and professor at the University of Tokyo. Dr. Ishikawa was a pioneer in quality management and played a crucial role in shaping Japan's post-war industrial resurgence, particularly in the field of total quality management, TQM. He aimed to find systematic methods to improve quality in manufacturing processes. The fishbone diagram, developed by Ishikawa in the 1960s, was originally used in the context of quality management within the manufacturing industry. It became a prominent tool within the total quality control (TQC) approach, which emphasized involving all employees in the quality improvement process. The diagram gained recognition for its effectiveness in identifying and organizing potential causes contributing to problems or defects in manufacturing processes. Its structured approach facilitated comprehensive analysis by categorizing causes into distinct segments, such as people, processes, equipment, environment, and materials. As its applications expanded, the diagram transcended its manufacturing origins and became a versatile problem-solving tool applicable to various industries and fields beyond manufacturing. Its adaptability made it popular not only in quality management but also in project management, healthcare, business analysis, and more. Over time, the fishbone diagram evolved into the broader concept of an effect diagram, emphasizing its utility in identifying the causes behind any effect or problem, not limited to quality control issues. Today, the effect diagram remains a fundamental tool in problem-solving methodologies like Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, and continuous improvement practices. Its structured approach and visual representation continue to empower teams and organizations worldwide to systematically analyze problems, make informed decisions, and drive solutions for success across diverse domains. Types. Effect diagrams, also known as fishbone or Ishikawa diagrams, can be adapted to suit various contexts and industries. Here are some common types. Manufacturing, quality management. Its original application was in manufacturing industries. It's used to identify causes affecting product quality, categorizing factors like equipment, process, materials, and personnel. Service industry, adapted for service-oriented businesses like banking, healthcare, or hospitality to pinpoint issues affecting service quality, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. Healthcare. In the medical field, it helps identify causes for issues like patient falls, medication errors, or hospital-acquired infections. Categories may include equipment, procedures, staff training, etc. Software development, used to identify reasons for bugs, delays in project timelines, or issues affecting software quality. Categories may involve coding, testing, requirements, and tools used. Project management helps understand reasons behind project delays, budget overruns, or stakeholder dissatisfaction, categorizing factors like resources, planning, communication, etc. Business analysis, utilized in strategic planning, marketing, or sales to analyze factors impacting business performance, such as market trends, competition, marketing strategies, etc. Education, applied in educational settings to understand causes for issues like declining student performance, absenteeism, or lack of engagement. Categories might include curriculum, teaching methods, student motivation, etc. Environmental studies, used to analyze causes behind environmental issues like pollution, habitat degradation, or climate change, categorizing factors such as human activities, policies, natural phenomena, etc. Each of these variations applies the basic principles of the effect diagram but tailors them to suit the specific needs and challenges of the respective industry or field. This adaptability underscores the versatility and effectiveness of the diagram as a problem-solving and analysis tool across diverse domains. How to develop it step by step. Creating an effect diagram involves several steps, which I'll break down for you. Step 1. Identify the problem or effect. Clearly define the problem or effect you want to analyze. This is the head of the fishbone diagram. Step 2. Gather a team. Assemble a team of individuals who have knowledge or experience related to the issue. Diverse perspectives help in brainstorming causes. Step 3. Create the fishbone structure. Draw a horizontal arrow pointing towards the effect, the problem or outcome you're analyzing. This represents the backbone of the fish. Create branches, like bones, stemming from the backbone. These branches will represent different categories of causes. Step 4. Brainstorm causes. Under each branch, start brainstorming potential causes related to that category. Encourage everyone in the team to contribute ideas without judgment initially. Step 5. Categorize causes. Organize the brainstormed causes under specific categories. Common categories might include people, process, equipment, environment, policies, etc. Connect each cause to the appropriate category branch. Step 6. Analyze and prioritize causes. Review and analyze the causes. Identify which causes are the most significant or have the most impact on the effect. Prioritize the causes based on their relevance and potential impact. This helps focus efforts on addressing the most critical issues. Step 7. Refine and improve. Refine the diagram as needed. You might find it necessary to add more causes or rearrange the structure as discussions progress. Continuously improve and update the diagram as you gather more information or as the situation evolves. Step 8. Take action. Use the diagram as a guide to develop strategies and action plans to address the identified causes. Implement solutions targeting the root causes to resolve the issue and improve outcomes. Remember, the success of an effect diagram lies not just in its creation but in the discussions and analysis it sparks. Collaboration, openness to diverse ideas, and a systematic approach to analyzing causes are key to its effectiveness. Regularly revisiting and updating the diagram ensures its relevance and usefulness in problem-solving and decision-making processes. Benefits and importance. The effect diagram, also known as the fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagram, holds significant importance and offers several key benefits. Structured problem solving. It provides a structured approach to problem solving by visually organizing potential causes of a problem or effect. This structured representation helps teams systematically analyze complex issues. Identifying root causes. It helps identify root causes rather than just addressing symptoms. By categorizing causes into distinct segments, such as people, process, equipment, etc., it enables teams to pinpoint underlying issues. Team collaboration. It encourages collaboration among team members or stakeholders. Different perspectives contribute to a comprehensive understanding of the problem, fostering a collaborative environment. Visual representation. Its visual nature makes complex relationships between causes and effects easy to understand. This visual representation enhances communication and aids in knowledge sharing within teams. Problem prevention. It's not just about solving existing problems but also about preventing future occurrences. By addressing root causes, it helps in implementing preventive measures to avoid similar issues in the future. Decision-making support. The diagram assists in making informed decisions by providing a clear overview of factors influencing a particular effect or problem. This clarity aids in prioritizing actions and resources. Continuous improvement. It aligns with continuous improvement methodologies like Six Sigma and lean manufacturing. By facilitating the identification of areas for improvement, it supports ongoing efforts to enhance processes and outcomes. Versatility across industries. Its adaptability allows for use across various industries and fields beyond manufacturing. It is applicable in healthcare, education, project management, service industries, software development, and more. Training and education. It's a valuable tool for training purposes, educating teams on problem-solving methodologies and encouraging a systematic approach to addressing issues. Facilitates documentation. It serves as a documentation tool, capturing insights and decisions made during problem-solving sessions. This documentation aids in tracking progress and revisiting the analysis in the future. Overall, the effect diagram is a powerful tool that not only helps in problem-solving but also promotes a culture of continuous improvement, collaboration, and structured analysis within organizations across diverse industries. Its effectiveness lies in its simplicity, versatility, and ability to drive focused problem-solving efforts. Examples. Here are a few examples illustrating how the effect diagram can be applied in various contexts. Healthcare. Patient falls. Effect. Increased instances of patient falls in a hospital. Categories. Environment, staff training, patient factors, procedures. Causes. Slippery floors, environment, inadequate staff training on fall prevention, staff training. Patient mobility issues, patient factors, lack of standardized protocols for patient monitoring, procedures. Software development. Bugs in software release. Effect. High number of bugs reported after a software release. Categories. Coding, testing, requirements, tools. Causes. Inadequate code review processes, coding. Insufficient testing coverage, testing. Unclear or changing requirements, requirements. Outdated testing tools, tools. Education. Decline in student performance. Effect. Decreasing grades in a particular subject. Categories. Teaching methods, curriculum, student engagement, assessment. Causes. Outdated teaching methods, irrelevant or outdated curriculum, lack of student engagement, assessments not aligned with learning objectives, assessment. Business. Declining sales. Effect. Decrease in sales for a product line. Categories. Marketing strategy, product quality, market trends, customer service. Causes. Ineffective marketing campaigns, marketing strategy. Declining product quality, changing consumer preferences, market trends. Poor customer service experiences, customer service. Project management, project delays. Effect. Project timelines consistently getting delayed. Categories. Resource allocation, planning, communication, external dependencies. Causes. Insufficient allocation of resources, resource allocation. Inadequate project planning, communication gaps between team members, communication, delays due to external vendors, external dependencies. These examples demonstrate how the effect diagram can be used to analyze a wide range of issues across different industries. By breaking down causes into specific categories, it becomes easier to identify root causes and develop targeted solutions to address them, ultimately improving outcomes and efficiency in various domains. Tips for success. Here are some tips for achieving success. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable, and time-bound goals. Clarity about what you want to achieve is crucial in directing your efforts. Continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Stay curious, seek new knowledge, and adapt to changes in your field or interests. Resilience and adaptability. Develop resilience to bounce back from setbacks and adaptability to navigate changes. Challenges are inevitable, but how you respond to them matters most. Effective time management. Prioritize tasks, manage time efficiently, and avoid procrastination. Productivity often hinges on effective time management. Networking and relationships. Cultivate meaningful relationships and networks. Building connections can open doors, offer support, and provide opportunities for growth. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. View failures as stepping stones to success. Learn from them, adapt, and move forward stronger and wiser. Take action. Don't get stuck in overthinking. Take action, even if it's small steps. Momentum builds with action. Seek mentorship and guidance. Learn from those who have walked a similar path. Mentors can provide valuable insights and guidance. Maintain a positive mindset. Focus on the positive aspects of situations, practice gratitude, and stay optimistic. A positive mindset can fuel motivation and resilience. Self-care and balance. Prioritize your well-being. Balance work, rest, exercise, and hobbies. Taking care of yourself is essential for long-term success. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to grow and improve. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and develop new skills. Consistency and persistence. Success often comes through consistent effort and persistence. Keep moving forward, even when faced with obstacles. Remember, success is a journey, not just a destination. It's about progress, growth, and fulfillment along the way. Applying these tips consistently can help you pave the path toward your version of success. Conclusion. Today, we've delved into the incredible power of the effect diagram, a tool that unlocks the secrets behind challenges and propels us toward success. Understanding the root causes is key, and the effect diagram empowers us to do just that. Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or any field, this tool can be your compass to navigate obstacles and drive solutions. Ready to take your problem-solving skills to the next level? Join our Bilal Consultancy Limited community. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on problem-solving methodologies, strategic planning, and success-driven approaches. Let's unlock the potential for growth and excellence together. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What challenges do you face in your industry? Let's brainstorm solutions together. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your network, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for being a part of our journey towards success and continuous improvement. Remember, at Bilal Consultancy Limited, we're dedicated to empowering you on your path to success. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and let's conquer new heights together. See you in the next video.